Good morning, YouTubers. This is RyRy Wags here. Day number 8 here at Loveland ski area. It's about 12 or 15 degrees out, I think. It's a little bit of wind chill too. Pretty nice weather for skiing. Riding up chair number 2 now. Should be a great day for a little shredding and skiing. A shout out to my wife. Love you, baby. Alright, YouTubers, this is RyRy Wags again here. Give you a quick lap in the life of Ryan. Here we go, guys. Conditions today are fast, at least in the morning here. is RyRy Wags coming to you from my truck. I just finished up skiing at Loveland. Did about 3 hours or so total, non-stop. A little over 10,000, actually, maybe 12,000 vertical feet. And now just heading home, going over Loveland Pass. Here is the snowy abyss I'm driving into. Just leaving Breckenridge, about to go into Blue River, which is a town just south of Breckenridge. Looks like it's going to be snowing pretty good up there on Hoosier Pass, but it'll just be on the pass portion, and then once I get down the other side, it should be partly cloudy. So, but cold like always. It's winter here. So, alrighty, this is RyRy Wags signing out. Well, as I said, here's a bunch of snow just starting up Hoosier Pass. This is on the north side of Hoosier Pass. So, I best be getting back to driving and not filming. That's right, folks, I'm fishtailing here. I'll put it in four-wheel drive here in a second. It is icy. Woo. Alright, YouTube. This is RyRy Wags still. And it is coming down like crazy, snowing like crazy here. Still gotten too high, so I'm just chugging along. Thanks to the almost new tires, about 6,000 miles on them. They are gripping good. So, gripping like Tom Brady on a football. Alright, I've got it in 4 high now, finally. I just didn't want to have that happen where I get stuck in the middle of the road and have to stop traffic. But there's only one car behind me right now, and he looks like he's in four-wheel drive as well. Yep, just a snowy day, February day, 2019. Nothing but blue sky now. Yippee-ki-yay.